Welcome to the Doug and Nikki Test Studio. We have a quick review and test of a product. Should be really helpful for any campers, boaters, adventurers out there. It is a 5-liter dry bag. Dry bags are great. We use them a lot when we're traveling because, as you know, Nikki loves to snorkel and stuff like that. It is a small bag. It is actually the perfect size for us because, you know, we don't want to leave our wallets, you don't want to leave your cell phone and that kind of stuff sitting on the beach. So you put it in the dry bag, you roll it on up, and you can take it with you. And you don't have to worry about it getting wet or covered in sand, any of that kind of stuff. It also is great in reverse. After you've gone swimming, if you want to take your wet swim trunks and put them in the bag, and then you can seal it up and you can put this in whatever bag you have with you or even your suitcase if you're heading home that day, and everything else you own won't get wet. So here's my thought for this. We're going to test this out today. I'm going to write a little note like as if we were on some desert lost island, and I'm going to put it in here with a weight and we'll seal it up and we'll throw it in the koi pond. That's what we're gonna do. It seems like it'll be a fair test, so we'll throw it in there, we'll leave it for a little bit, we'll pull it out, we'll see if our rescue note has survived. All right, we have our test equipment here. One 5-liter dry bag, a 3-pound weight, and we need a emergency letter. Go. Rescue me. That rescue looks like rescue me, but here we are with one bone dry rescue me letter. Let's put it in the Deerfamy package and see how it survives. So, for those of you who haven't used a dry bag, this always seems to me like a little, I don't mean sketchy in a bad way, but it always amazes me that this actually works to keep it dry. So you put it in, you close it, you go once, twice, you can even do 3 times if you want it to be extra secure. You just roll it over 3 times, and then you hook this like this, and there you go. This should be completely waterproof. Let's go throw it in and see how it survives. Okay, as I said, it is March here. It's a little cool out here to be out here in a t-shirt, but and the pond is really a big old mess, but should be perfect to test our dry bag. Let's put it in. Kona, can you certify that this dry bag has our stuff in it? Let's go like this. Okay, we have a little bit of a fail there in as much as 3 pounds is not actually enough to sink the bag. So this is a little bit of a good lesson for people. These dry bags can actually be used as flotation devices as well. If you're in the water and you're in trouble, fill it with air, close it just like I showed you, and obviously 3 pounds is not going to keep you as a human being alive, but it'll help. Alright, Kona's out in the backyard upset I left him, but let's see what we got here. One dry bag. Dun, 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 dun. Rescue me! Perfectly 100% dry, other than the water from my hand because I was just in the pond with it. There is absolutely no water in this bag. I gotta say, for what this cost, this is a great deal.